Hello, my name is Dustin Delfs. I work for the Wellington Fire Protection District. I'm a driver operator and also the fleet manager for them. We're here to pick up our 2008 SVI trucks. Originally built it, and 10 years later we're back to get it refurbed by them, and it turned out really well. We started as a volunteer department, and it was at one of our slower stations, and as a growing department we went from volunteer to an all-paid department, and we've with the call volume rising, we've needed to get some more stuff upgraded on it. The money of a new fire truck it's a lot of money, and with the working relationship we have with SVI and you guys, it was a no-brainer to come back to you, and it saved us a lot of money in the end, and I believe we got everything that we would want out of a new truck. We saved $500,000 by doing a refurb as opposed to building something new. We did a lot of work on the water pump itself. Was leaking a lot of water. We reconfigured the cab. We put in some safety features and some roll-up cabs to keep everything more secure while we're driving down the road, and also for cancer prevention, to help out keeping everything clean and secured. We replaced all the backing and all the lights. This is our engineer's compartment, but everything got new lights, it got new backing. It's all redone for higher visibility and better safety. We replaced just a blank red tarp with the back with all the chevrons with the highly reflective. From JR recommended that we go with this. It's a really heavy duty material, and he said it would last for a long time. And basically we added 2 3/4 pre-connects to the rear to add more versatility to our fleet and better serve our district. We did a lot of upgrades on the inside of the cab as well, with the diamond plate flooring, which is NFPA compliant. We got new seats. We rearranged the cab. They built a beautiful cabinet for us with a roll-up door, so we can store everything secured in case of an accident, and also kind of keep the cancer and stuff away from the people in the cab at all times. We added a 5-inch discharge to our rig to make it more versatile to serve the community. We took our crosslays out, and they built these doors for more storage for our rig. It is fully repainted top and bottom, and we spent a lot of time working on this reflective streaking down the side, trying to get it to look and be as bright as we could possibly make it. We replaced every outside light with brand new LED lights so that people see us better. We refurbed the light tower as well. It just needed a little bit of TLC. When we initially went back to SVI to get this refurbed, the department was more than happy to work with us with everything. We kind of had a wish list of what we wanted done, and they came up to our department and they took a look at everything. They took pictures of everything. They were transparent on everything, all the cost, all the time frame. It took about 4 months to get this done. They worked with us every step of the way and kept us informed on every decision. If we ever wanted to stop by, they were more than happy to have us come in, and they would show us exactly what was going on with the truck.